Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 6 best mini portable washing machines that are perfect for small spaces, travel, or dorm living. Whether you're looking for efficiency, compact design, or powerful cleaning on the go, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Number 6. Portable 25-liter large-capacity folding washing machine. This washing machine is here with a 50% price off. Now you can get it at around $95. Are you tired of carrying around heavy, bulky laundry when you travel? Meet the portable 25-liter large-capacity folding washing machine, your new travel companion. Compact yet powerful, this washing machine is designed to fit into your busy lifestyle. Whether you're on a business trip, a camping adventure, or just need a quick wash at home, this machine has got you covered. Unfolding the machine and setting it up. With a 25-liter capacity, it handles more laundry than you'd expect. From t-shirts to jeans, even small towels, it can take it all. Integrated washing and lifting functions make laundry a breeze. Simply load your clothes, add water, and let the machine do the rest. The advanced washing technology ensures a thorough clean every time. The machine in action, showing water swirling and clothes being washed. And when you're done, it's just as easy to drain and pack away. The folding design means it takes up minimal space, perfect for small apartments or on-the-go use. Say goodbye to laundromats and hello to convenience. The portable 25-liter folding washing machine is more than just a washing machine. It's your personal laundry solution wherever life takes you. Portable, powerful, perfect for travel. Number 5. 6L11L Folding Portable Washing Machine. This washing machine is here with a 35% price off. Now you can get it at around $35. In a world where mobility and efficiency are prized, the 6 liters and 11 liters folding portable washing machine with spin dryer bucket emerges as a beacon of innovation, revolutionizing the way we approach laundry. This compact and portable laundry solution brings convenience to the forefront, catering to the needs of travelers, homeowners, and individuals with a dynamic lifestyle. Let's delve into the features and advantages that make this mini washer a game changer for clothes cleaning, whether you're on the road or at home. With compact design and big capacity, the 6 liters and 11 liters folding portable washing machines defy expectations with their ability to combine a compact design with a substantial washing capacity. Despite their small footprint, these mini washers can handle loads that cater to daily laundry needs. Convenience for travel and home. Whether you're on the go or in the comfort of your home, the 6 liters and 11 liters portable washing machines bring the convenience of a compact laundry solution to your fingertips. Designed with portability in mind, these mini washers are perfect for travelers who want to refresh their clothes on the road. Dual functionality with spin dryer bucket. What sets these folding portable washing machines apart is their dual functionality, combining washing and spin drying capabilities in one compact unit. Varied needs. Recognizing that different users have distinct laundry demands, the availability of both 6 liters and 11 liters options provides flexibility. The 6 liters model is perfect for light loads and travel, while the 11 liters model caters to larger loads and more extensive washing requirements. User-friendly operation. Operating the 6 liters and 11 liters folding portable washing machines is a breeze. With user-friendly controls, these mini washers provide an intuitive interface for users of all ages. Number 4. Ultrasonic Folding Clothes Washing Machine. Now you can get it at around $108. In the era of dynamic living and evolving technology, the Ultrasonic Folding Clothes Washing Machine emerges as a game changer, offering a novel approach to at-home laundry. This portable, semi-automatic marvel combines innovation, efficiency, and a touch of style to redefine the way we think about washing clothes. With a 2-kilogram washing capacity under drainage method and mechanical control, this mini laundry powerhouse is set to transform the laundry experience. Portable in folding design, the Ultrasonic Folding Clothes Washing Machine takes the concept of portability to new heights. Its folding design ensures that efficiency is not compromised for the sake of convenience. Whether you're living in a compact space, traveling, or simply seeking a portable laundry solution, this folding washing machine seamlessly fits into your lifestyle. Its collapsible nature allows for easy storage, making it a versatile addition to any living space. Semi-automatic operation for user control. The degree of automation in the Ultrasonic Folding Closed Washing Machine is semi-automatic, placing control in the hands of the user. This level of automation strikes a balance between convenience and customization, allowing users to actively engage in the washing process. Efficient washing capacity. Despite its compact size, this folding washing machine boasts a commendable 2 kilograms washing capacity. This is a testament to its efficiency, allowing users to launder a variety of garments, from delicate fabrics to everyday essentials. Under drainage method for simplicity, the drainage method employed by the Ultrasony washing machine adds a layer of simplicity to the laundry routine. With this method, water drainage is facilitated from the bottom of the machine, streamlining the process and ensuring that users can easily manage the washing and draining steps. Number 3. 11 liters big capacity folding washing machine. This washing machine is here with a 65% price off. Now you can get it at around $39. In the quest for streamlined living and efficient solutions, the 11 liters big capacity folding washing machine emerges as a transformative household appliance. This collapsible wonder is designed to cater to the dynamic needs of modern living, offering not just a laundry solution, but a revolution in compact and portable convenience. Substantial 11 liters capacity at the heart of this revolutionary washing machine is an impressive of 11 liters capacity, proving that efficiency need not be sacrificed for compactness. The substantial volume allows users to launder larger loads, making it a practical solution for families, individuals, or those with heavier laundry demands. Folds folding design for space optimization. A standout feature of the 11 liters big capacity folding washing machine is its collapsible and folding design. This innovative approach addresses the limitations of space, making it a perfect fit for apartments, RVs, or any living place where real estate is at a premium. This folding washing machine has versatility in 3 models, offering users a choice between 3 distinctive models, each catering to specific needs. Washing-only model is ideal for individuals who require a compact yet efficient washing solution without the need for spinning dry functionality. Portability and on-the-go convenience. The folding washing machine is inherently portable, catering to individuals with dynamic lifestyles. Whether you're a traveler, a camper, or someone living in a small space, the portability of this appliance ensures that clean laundry is always within reach. Efficient spinning dry functionality. The spinning dry functionality in select models adds another layer of efficiency to the laundry routine. Users can wash and quickly remove excess water from their garments in a single machine, saving time and effort. Number 2. 8 liters portable washing machine. This washing machine is here with a 75% price off. Now you can get it at around $28. Opening, bright, cheerful music plays. A cluttered dorm room or small apartment setting is shown. Say hello to the ultimate space-saving laundry solution, the 8 liters portable washing machine, perfect for small homes, dorms, and travels. Introducing the product, close-up of the sleek, compact washing machine sitting on a countertop. This mini washing machine is designed with your convenience in mind. Small yet powerful, it offers an 8-liter capacity to handle your daily laundry needs, whether it's socks, underwear, or small clothing items. Easy setup and operation. Footage of someone easily setting up the machine, unfolding it, and filling it with water. Setting up is a breeze. Simply unfold, add water, and your laundry is ready to go. It's that simple. Washing in action. The machine is shown washing clothes, with close use of the water swirling gently. Despite its compact size, this washer offers effective cleaning. The gentle yet thorough washing action ensures your clothes are treated with care, leaving them spotless and fresh. Retractable and space-saving design. Demonstration of folding the machine back to its compact form and storing it easily. And when you're done, its retractable design makes storage a snap. Perfect for small spaces. Spinning dry feature. Footage of clothes being spun dry in the machine, ready to be hung or folded. No time to wait. The built-in spinning dry function quickly removes excess water, so your clothes are ready in no time. Ideal for any setting, a family packing the machine into a suitcase for travel, then transitioning to a scene of someone using it in a dorm. Whether you're at home, in a dorm, or on the go, this portable washer is your reliable companion. Clean clothes, anywhere, anytime. Close-up of the machine, with text on screen highlighting key features, 8 liters capacity, retractable design, spinning dry function. Get the 8 liters portable washing machine today, compact, efficient, and ready to make your life easier. 8 liters portable washing machine, clean clothes wherever you go. Number 1. Midea portable washing machine. This washing machine is here with a 25% price off. Now you can get it at around $117. Compact, lightweight, and foldable, it fits perfectly into your suitcase, making it ideal for home, dormitory, business travel, and more. Designed for convenience, it's perfect for washing socks, underwear, and baby clothes, ensuring hygiene wherever you are. The Midea MZ5-1 Farad provides a thorough clean with gentle care, preserving the quality of delicate fabrics. Eco-friendly, it uses minimal water and energy, making it both wallet and environmentally friendly. Whether you're at home or on the move, the Midea Mini Folding Washing Machine ensures your essentials are always fresh and clean. Compact, portable, efficient. Midea Mini Folding Portable Washing Machine, clean wherever you are.